Hello. Yes, good morning, everybody. So today is 10th of May at the market of the day. So we'll start off with our main pairs. We'll first of all look at Euro USD, and what I'd like to say is that this is a sell. My opinion, this is still a sell. I've not changed anything since the previous week. We are still into the sell which we said some few days ago. So the main reason I'm saying this is a sell is because we basically went below a monthly level, a weekly support, sorry. The previous Swiss candle actually closed below a significant level. Here we have this. This was a support somewhere. We had a support there. And then we also had this, the entire place, a zone as a good support. Yeah. So price technically went below. As you can see, price broke below, tried retracing, and currently we are still within that zone. Then the previous day's candle formed a bearish pin, but this is a sell candle. So as long as the price does not close above this level, the upper zone 1.1231, we are into a sell. We expect price to proceed downwards, let it go up to the first take profit here, and if price can successfully close below this level, and then we'll expect price to move up to this level, up to the next one, 1.0528. So far it looks like the price is heading upwards, but this is still a sell. So don't get confused. We are still in sell. There's a level where price basically went below it, and it's still pretty much below that level. So as long as it remains there, we are selling. But to the next side, GBP/USD. And this one, this also a sell. Just that the correct place to sell from has to be here. If you are looking at this pair and you want to trade it successfully, just know that the correct place you're supposed to sell it is here. If you didn't sell it, you still have the chance to sell it even now, but your stop loss has to be above that longest tail which appeared yesterday. We have to have our stop loss here above this level. A support, there's a break below. It came back the first time, went down the second time, and then it was above. So this is a sell. Even as we speak, we are still looking for a sell. We want that sell to push price up to around 1.2942, this level. So you're looking at this chart, you're looking for a trade, place your pending sell limit, have your stop loss, and then a take profit somewhere around this point. Yes, DJPY. So on this one, from what I've seen today, we are actually buying. There's a support here that price attempted to close below, but it failed to close below. Have this as a very good support, resistance, support, a support. We have another support, and currently as we speak the price is at around the same place. So this is still a sell. It's still a very good sell. If you want to trade still this pair, you can still sell it as we speak. You can still buy it, sorry, and look for a buy now. Expect that buy to push price up to the next level, and that next level is this one. Next level is this one, where that gap started, and the next one is that. And the last one is around a weekly resistance, which is this. So basically these are the levels I'm waiting for price from. I want price to either get to this level, or to the upper one. So as I was saying, you can buy this pair now. You can basically buy it, but have your stop loss below this point. Have your stop loss below the lowest, the previous day's lowest low, somewhere there. then your first take profit, and then the next one should be at the top. So either way, after you buy it, you should have your stop loss, have your first take profit, and then the last one at the top. That is, the last take profit should be here, not exactly what I was saying. The last take profit should be here. So we move forward to the next symbol, that should be SP500. SP500 closed as a bullish pin bar, but that pin bar only touched this level, so this could be a buy. This could be a very good buy. You can see we had a resistance, price went above, came back to the same point, and then started forming a pin bar. So this is a bullish pin bar. It possibly means that the price may be heading to the upper side. The best you need to do is to wait for price to get up to this level, pick a buy from 2854.7, have your stop loss, then have a take profit at 2937.0. So this is a buy. You want to trade it correctly, just ensure you wait for price around this level, wait for price here, and then pick a buy from that point with the take profit at 2937.0. Move forward to our next chart, which is gold. So yesterday we actually took a sell on gold based on this. We had a level here, support. This was a good support. Then we mentioned that this was a support at that point. We had a resistance. Then we also had this as a support. Support. Then this is a resistance. And then we mentioned this was the place to sell from. So if you sold it the same way we said, then you're supposed to be in an active sell at the moment, but somehow you should be negative. That does not mean that you are wrong unless the price hits your stop loss. And even then, it does not change the fact that you're supposed to go down. So if it has gone against you, there's no problem. Just look for another good setup similar to this one. But if it goes your way, you should take profits at this point. So we move forward to the last chart, which is Brent oil. Brent oil is here. Brent oil has been a sell from what we said some few days ago, but looks like the price is heading up. So the reason I said this was a sell is because we had a support here, which price went below. It's coming back, and we don't expect it to close beyond 71.69. So if the current week's candle, which is this one, successfully closes above this line 71.69, then we are upwards. But if it remains below, then even the coming week we are still going to sell. I hope this makes sense, that unless the price clearly ascend and close above to 71.69, we are still selling. We look for a sell as long as the price remains below this zone. If price can close above it, then that sell changes into a buy. So thank you very much. That should bring us to the end of today's market. We'll see you again on Monday at the same time.